Welcome to my Diigo site. This is my library, my collection of web resources that we put together. This website is very neat because it allows you to combine a bunch of different resources into one area. This reminds me a lot of a web mix that I did for a previous class where we collected internet resources and put them into one central location. Only difference with that is that one was more of a presentation difference. It had little pictures of the websites, where this one's just a very straightforward name and the tags. Which that actually brings me to my next part here is the tags. Now, we were required to put in four specific areas of websites that we were supposed to collect, and that was UDL, Universal Design for Learning, Professional Development, Web 2.0, and Blended Learning. I expanded this and created some physical education websites and resources. Although it may seem redundant, some of these websites are resources themselves. So it's a resource page of other resources, but that in and of itself is kind of a good idea because you have everything all in one place. This is my first experience with Diigo. We've done collaborative folders through Google Docs and things like that, but having them all here is kind of a neat idea. So that brings me to my tags. This I kind of thought was one of the neater things about this website here, is you were able to tag the website so they were super easy to search. Now we have over 50 different websites and resources here, which can be a little laborious to go through and search through all of those. But when you have these tags, it makes them a lot easier. So we'll just go ahead and look at all the tags that we have here. So you can search through them by the tag, you can search through them alphabetically, and it kind of gives you the frequency, how often they were used. So one of the ones that I'm really interested in is the Web 2.0 tool. So we'll just come over here to this Web 2.0 tag, and click it there, and it kind of gives you all of those sites that are tagged with that Web 2.0. So very similar to a hashtag that's used on Twitter. You can search for specific things in a large list like this one. So here, this one combines two of mine here. So Web 2.0 and PE. You can see both the tags here. It takes you to the PE Central website here. Again, some Web 2.0 technologies that are used in physical education. So me being a PE teacher, this kind of combined those two together and used them there. So you've got, it takes you to another page that has different resources, so you can click on all the resources there, check those out, and you can just close that back out and go to my other ones. So we can go back to my tags here. All right, you got some for blog. I can click on that. This is one of the websites that I included in my top 10, the EduBlogs. All right, so again, another Web 2.0 tool. An activity that teachers use, students use. You can create your own blogs, comments. Very good for collaboration. So when you look at these lists here, you can go in and you can annotate, you can edit them. So here, my first one here, physical education printables, lessons, and resources. I put PE and resources. Maybe I want to add a tag that lets individuals know that you could use this for lessons. So I click on edit. I come down here to tags and I add lessons. So I save that, and then boom, there I got another tag for lessons. So it's a great way to create these lists, and you can. The search feature by the tags is probably my favorite one about this. So you can add a whole bunch of different things, like add scholarly articles, and it tells you the frequency with which you've used those tags. So if you happen to be looking for a specific one, you can see which one. So my list is pretty heavy with the Web 2.0 stuff, some UDL, professional development stuff. So again, it's a great way to combine these lists. To keep them all in one centralized location and share it and edit and go through with it from there. So that's my Diigo library. I hope you all enjoyed it, and please feel free to let me know if you've got any comments or questions.